G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I promised in a previous video on this tree, I was going to do a separate video on slip potting, how to slip pot. What a slip pot is trying to repot the tree, but don't touch the roots, don't try and mess with the soil too much, and just position it in the new angle, which is what I'm going to try and do with this tree today. So I don't mind the pot it's in. I don't know if it will eventually stay in that pot. I was just trying to contemplate maybe another pot, but I don't really have anything that suits it just yet, so I might just go straight back into this pot. But I want to change the angle on it, so that's the tricky bit. So we're going to try and see how we go today. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I haven't seen the roots on this tree for a while, but I'm hopeful this will be okay. And you'll see what I mean by slip potting. Is just trying to maneuver the tree into the new angle without disturbing the roots too much. So let's give it a crack. I want that angle, so I'll have to remember that. I'm sure I'll figure it out. So, I don't know if you can see that. Let me just check the camera. Might have to. There we go. I'll just do that for now and see if that works. So let's have a look. There is a wire holding the tree in, so I need to cut that off. Let's pull that out. Alright. Now I want to just try and see if this pulls out by itself. It probably doesn't, or not well enough. Just want to try and capture the roots in the soil. That's at the top. Let's just see how this goes. Yeah, it's coming up pretty easily. I must have been repotted recently, so I'm not going to maneuver too much. So I can feel it's coming out easily, so that's good news. What I want to do is get some wire ready so that I can rewire, so I can tie it in. So let's just get me some wire. Now I'm going to just slowly. So it isn't actually too bad. Must have been in there only a short time. funny these things, how these things happen. That's good. Just gonna get rid of the. Maybe that's too thick, that wire. Let's get you some thinner wire. Now, you notice I haven't touched the roots. All I did was pull the tree out. And the main reason I did that is because the massive change of angle, and it's going to be impossible to water. So you can see the nice healthy roots there. So I just got to get the angle of the tree now right. And I haven't touched anything at all with the roots. I'm just finding some weeds I'm trying to pull out. It's a weed. Now let me just check. I think it was something like that. Now I need to get some soil in to this side, stabilize the tree. Now you still notice I haven't actually touched the roots, haven't root pruned them, kept them all the same. So, I don't think the tree was that way, I think it was that way, wasn't it? I think it was something like that. Looks nice. I'm going to try and tie the tree in now. Actually looks pretty good. going to change angle so you can kind of see it closer. So pretty quick. That was probably a few minutes work. I slip potted that. I just wanted to make sure that wasn't straight. Now that's the bit, it's going back this way, so it's okay. It's coming back this way and then it's flowing out the way. So that's, I just want to make sure that wasn't straight in the tree, in the pot. And if you look at it front on, so I've learned that the actual foot here should be the front. So that's good, I got that right. So looking alright. Now at least I can water it in the position it is, which is good. So, slip potting. That's very quick, simple, easy. I didn't touch the roots. The soil, did you notice how the soil just fell apart? Now that's the beauty of my open mix. It's very open and very porous. And that's why I can get the tree. The tree actually gets really good roots and nice and healthy, but you saw how it just dropped away, which is good, but the roots stayed intact. They didn't fall off and they didn't break. So that's another positive. But let me just check. Yeah, I think that's come up all right. This slightly goes to to which screen? This way, left for my left. So that's going this way just slightly, and then it flows that way. And this gin, I'll gin it up eventually. Just got this wire anchoring this part of the tree. Yeah, nice little easy how to slip pot the tree. Mainly because the angle that I changed it to wouldn't work when I was watering, and I wanted to at least get the even sunshine on the tree, on the foliage, so it can grow. If I had it still in the old position, which was hanging down here, the tree wouldn't be as healthy, I think. So bringing it back up into this position, watering it this way, the tree should get nice even sun distribution, hopefully, and nice even growth. I want the tree to recover now. I won't touch it for a good 6 months. Look at it again in spring next year. It's summer at the moment, so let it go and see what happens. So there you go, guys. Nice quick short video on slip potting. Hope you saw that outcome. Alright, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, guys, and see you soon. Bye.